So welcome back, everyone. So this is Kwadbox for June 2018, and I'm pretty sure that everyone knows what's in the box by now, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this unboxing anyways, and hopefully, well, I can maybe explain a little bit more about what's in it, I guess. So here we go, and let's do it. Oops, wrong way. All right. Let's see, we got some good stickers here. Them look pretty cool. Never disarm, never surrender. Woo. Then we got some Azure props. Let's see, these are, let's see what these are. Here we go, here's the barcode here. These are 5.1 by 5.0 tri-blades. There's one full set here. That is the color. Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3 sets of props. And we got this heat gun. I've got one of these, but looks like this one might be looks maybe a little cool. We'll take it out of the box here in just a second. Looks like we've got a Hellgate FPV buzzer. Don't know exactly how these work yet. I guess they'll be good for a long-range quad, so that's probably the one I'll put it on for. Not my most favorite boost. I would have rather some ESCs or some motors, but like I said, I'll use this on a long-range quad, and we'll check it out. All right, and let's see, we got looks like a 10% off on the Rotor Riot store. And then we've got this little Hellgate FPV light strip PDB. So it looks like you put it on your rack and you can use it to, basically it's just a PDB to enable you to put lights around your quad. So I don't know if this is really that useful, but hey, it looks pretty cool. And then probably the one thing that's really good about this box is the shirt. I mean, this is a pretty good looking shirt here. Let's see here, there we go. Quad Pilot, that is a good looking shirt. And press start. So that's pretty nice, I really like that shirt. Alright, let's take a look at this air gun, or this heat gun here. Alright, so we got this heat gun here. Looks like it's a 300 watt heat gun. Does have an on and off switch. Looks like it's like a handheld like this. Doesn't really have a handle on it like a gun. Yeah. I guess it'll be okay. It's got a little mount right here, so you can set it up and keep it from burning the ground, the table, or whatever you got it on. Uses your standard outlet. I did notice here in this little guide here that it says do not use more than 10 minutes continuously to prevent overheating. So but yeah, I mean, I have a heat gun, pretty popular brand. I can't think of the name, but wasn't cheap. But I mean, in the end, it's always good to have a backup one. So that's what that'll be for me. But yeah, overall box, like I said, I'm happy with everything with the boost, but you can't have everything. So and I'll use it though, so it's not necessarily a bad boost. I really was hoping for ESCs for that DYS FC, or really wanting some motors. So but anyways, thank you very much for watching, and take care. Bye.
Make the ground shake.